Hi! This week we've got another bee video. Sadly the pink beehive did not survive the winter, so this week made the most of the new lifting in restrictions and went to install a brand new, spanking new nucleus of bees. These are how many bees?
About 15,000, I thought.
15,000 bees in this box, and we're just going to take them up to the hive.
When Katie's going to let her bees out,
To settle in before I don't actually know exactly what we're doing. We leave them for an hour and then let them acclimatise to their new surroundings.
Here they all come. Are they amused? No.
And then we'll encourage them into the hive.
and then what Katie calls encouraging means taking them out of the box, checking for the queen, and then putting them in the hive, which is all ready.
We are just building some frames, and these frames are maybe 50 or 60 years old, and it's a good idea to recycle, this is dirty, to recycle them. So you just take the old ones apart, clean them up, and then put fresh bits of this foundation wax, and then we're ready to go. Oh, well done.
Now this is the moment of truth. Quite scary really. The all important thing ideally is to spot the queen.
Yep. So we're looking for a blue
We lift
dot.
out. She's unlikely to be on the. She's unlikely to be on the
The first frame.
outsides, because she's more likely to be protected by all the workers on the remaining frames. And now we can see the brood.
Oh yeah, brilliant.
So we can see there's a queen laying. Now they're getting a bit more stroppy. Now I think the queen's going to be on this next one. Here.
We found the queen.
See her?
Oh my god, that's so exciting. Now she's gone. Oh no, she's there.
She's
Still
there, but you can see how once you've got her, it's easy. But look how they protect her.
I know.
She's camera shy. Now,
What, to get these last ones out?
no, there's a very simple method.
Oh my god. Now they're getting angry.
Well, they're not going to be terribly impressed by that. They're pretty chilled.
They're not giving us the grief I was fearing.
So the pink hive bees are chilled.
Well, they're fashionistas, I suspect. Right.
And next week we'll be back in the garden.